Hello, everyone. Here are your spelling words for this week. And what they have in common is the final schwa plus ul sound. So when you say these words, what's happening is the L overpowers the vowel that it's standing next to in the word. So you don't hear the vowel. What you hear is the stress on the ul sound. So let's go ahead and say the words for this week, and then you'll be ready for the activity with these words. Retitle, towel, battle, coastal, metal, simple, eagle, special, total, trouble, nickel, gentle, barrel, model, untangle, ankle, marvel, juggle, squirrel, riddle. Here are your review words. They don't follow the rule from this week. These are words from another week. Labor, mirror, doctor, temper. And back to the words that follow this week's rule. Signal, fossil, quarrel, article. Here are your words for this week. Now you're ready to move on to the activity for these words.